only use a GoPro battery? Why did that come on? I guess my tips are still on and it takes forever to get out. Is there any way to disable these tips, GoPro? Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me on this GoPro episode. Oh yeah, man, let me tell you, GoPro never fails to offer you a single little thing, meaning they're always going to keep you on the toes. I am going to be sitting back on the Hero 11 this time round. I'm going to wait for the GoPro Hero 12. And that'll be out soon in 2023. I have a list of reasons why I'm passing up the 11 this time around and waiting for the Hero 12 in 2023. I don't have them written down, but let me try to, get this out. One, we all know GoPro does fast charging in the camera, 80% right away. And then it takes 20% a lot longer. Whatever happened to that in the GoPro? It's no longer being mentioned. Battery life. Oh man, let me tell you, ate up real fast. It's faster than the Hero 10, 9, 8, 7, so forth. Why? You got so much packed into this camera that it needs a lot of battery to run it down dry. Now, the performance modes in the camera for the tripod, the extended battery, whatever happened to that? I didn't really see that in the 11. So a lot of things are starting to be taken away out of the 11 that was in the 10. So you could kind of say, yeah, those are some of the issues. Also, live stream may be important for some. You can't do YouTube anymore. I'm still waiting for somebody out there to say, hey, it works with the subscription. Well, it don't work on the app and it's not given anymore. So why get something that's starting to be taken away? Love the interface, love the improvements, but still trying to get to different things, different areas, and touching is not responsive enough. Notice the shortcuts on one of the pro settings was highlighted still blue. So I wasn't sure what that meant and why it's stuck on blue. Now, going from a Hero 8 to a 10, now to 11, that's one of the reasons why I am not going to 11. I'm going to wait for a 12. Keep on the even note number. Just holding the GoPro Hero 10 in hand every single time and seeing the issues, man, let me tell you, it just reminds me over and over and over again. Oh man, they put a bike lane in, they made a single lane and taking away all the parking. Yeah, you gotta love it, man. And they're probably gonna do the same to the other side. Let me get back to my GoPro story, man. That's GoPro for you. Well, everything has a reason why we like and dislike things. And I like my GoPro. It grabs the shot. Beautiful shot of the sunrise. Almost coming up. Or is it up behind the cloud? Never know. Well, with GoPro, all the issues that the 10 has, I don't think the 11 is going to have. And they just simply cannot fix issues. They make a new camera. And that's not what we want out of GoPro. We want our existing camera to be 100% fixed. And people are saying because everything's crunched together, they have difficulties in doing that. well, and then stop putting everything into the camera and just work on one single camera, get it done right. I had my funds in GoPro. I have my rewards in GoPro. I got it all back, and I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna go now try out the DJI Osmo Action 3 and put that towards the camera. I did take the pre-order and I canceled it so I could use these funds towards it. And that's a good thing if you ask me. Oh, I don't need convincing, and I don't have to convince you. There's no peer pressure. It's a decision that I want to make for me, knowing I got the right camera in hand down the road. Oh yeah, it's the right camera for me. The DJI Osmo Action 3. I don't know. Only you know. You got the camera. Tell me what you like about the Osmo Action 3. Tell me what you like about the GoPro Hero 11. I want to know your thoughts. Ooh, look, I'm in the bike lane. Bike lane, bike lane. That's what she said to me. Oh, congregate on the street, congregate on the sidewalk. It is what it is, man. I know I made my right decision because my last camera just wasn't working correctly. Everything was so just buku. Buka. Background to focus, blurred. Just did not like it with the 10-bit and 10-bit off. I really have no use for 10-bit. So DJI Osmo Action gets 10-bit. I don't know if I'm gonna, use it or not. I just like to put the video in, do my editing, and off I go. I'm gonna start to take my time again and do a little bit better editing. I've always been saying that. I just can't get it done like I used to. I don't know. Maybe I should just hold off to 2023, see if DJI comes out with the new camera. They're not going to. It'll be by 2026 because it's every 3 years of the action camera. I love cameras. I love using them. I just don't have that wow anymore in them. And I don't utilize them to the fullest. Even the Hero 10, I haven't used painting. I haven't used the night lapse. I haven't used the photo. I just put it on the video and off I go. GoPro has now been out for what? A good full month? And DJI is first coming out a few days early, and more the real people are coming out. And I'm watching more and more videos, and I'm gathering my information, what I like, dislike. So yeah, on that note, I'm Fish. I'll catch you on many more videos to come down the road. And sure enough, I'm gonna go continue my project and see if I see any more leaks upstairs and take things one step at a time. On that note, I'm Fish. On that note, I'm Fish. On that note, peace, and I'll see you on the next video. Hey, I got a project. I finished it with the Hero 10. Oh man, I would have loved to dunk the Hero 11 in the tar pit. Take a look while the sun is heading up. I did this shot before. Well, that 6-gallon tub got most of the job done. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines to do. A 3-gallon tub would do for 50 bucks. I'm not gonna do it. I'm pretty satisfied because my leak was where that big black trap was. And I think I got it. I got everything around it the best I could. Oh yeah. Sometimes water gets in over there because it goes up through the opening. As you can see, everybody has theirs either gone or sealed up. And that's where you get fresh air into the house. Yes, indeed. Why seal something good up when it's useful? I don't get people. Well, you see my solar panels all up, running, doing a great job. When the sun hits it, just fine. Well, I am just about out of here. I don't want to step on the black tar and bring it in the house. I left one glove on and off I go. On that note, I'm Fish, and I see you on many other videos to come. Oh yeah, hop along, play skip the black bars, you name it. I don't love this, but it is what it is. Look at that background, how colorful it is, not blurry indeed. That's what I like.